Fear, it's uncomfortable, it's sweaty palms, racing hearts, frozen steps, and it's totally natural. But what if fear isn't your enemy? What if it's your brain's way of saving you? Your brain is kind of like an old-school alarm system that has its own little sensors all throughout your body. And one of these sensors is your amygdala. It's a tiny almond-shaped structure that scans for threats 24/7. Even before you're aware of them, the amygdala sends a blast of signals to your body. Adrenaline surges, heart rate jumps, muscles tense. Your brain doesn't ask, is this rational? It just says, act now. Survive first, think later. And this is helpful when you're actually in danger. It keeps you from touching a hot stove. It makes you slam on the brakes before a crash. Even anxiety before an exam, that's your brain keeping you sharp. Controlled. Fear or anxiety can be a good thing. It's alertness. It sharpens your senses. It focuses your attention. In small doses, fear is performance fuel. But sometimes your brain's alarm system can go off when there's no real danger. And that's when fear becomes a problem. Say you have a phobia of spiders. When you see one, your brain goes into overdrive, even though the spider isn't really a threat to you. That's because your amygdala has decided that it is. And without the right tools, it can be hard to stop that response. This is where phobias, panic attacks, and chronic anxiety come in. Your brain is trying to help, but the threat it sees is not real. And that's when fear feels like the enemy. So what can you do? Well, the first step is to recognize it. Understand that fear is just a signal. It's not a sentence. The second step is to breathe, to ground yourself in the present moment. And then ask yourself, is this fear trying to protect me? Or is it just reacting? You'll never get rid of fear completely, and you don't need to. You just need to listen and decide whether to follow it. Fear is ancient. Fear is powerful. And fear is not the enemy. If this made you think differently about fear, share and subscribe for more brain-expanding videos.